Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to repair a squeaky Mercedes blower motor. You will face these problems on the W204 or 212 and other models, and it's actually quite easy to remove the blower motor. You will find it behind this cover here, and first of all you've got to loosen these screws. So it's a T15 Torx. So once you have loosened these three T15 Torx screws, you can pull the cover towards you and remove it. Take care to avoid scratches here on the sides. Watch out, there is a hook, so you pull it down and then towards you. There it is. And over there you already see the blower motor. So right now you have to remove two clips. The first one is this one. It holds the cable right here, and there is another plug, another connector which needs to be removed just by pulling it with your fingernail. Oh, come on. Yeah, remove the cable here. So now you've got a clip here. Pull it down and then turn the blower motor clockwise. It's hard to do it with one hand. So, and now you can remove the blower motor. There it is. I cleaned it with compressed air and a brush, and you will find a lot of dirt and rust coming out of it. And then I lubricated, and then you install it the same way, like you pull it out. Okay, that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.